Say you've got an important document, but it's just an image. You can't search it, you can't copy the text, and it's in a language you don't read. Let's fix all three. Here's the whole workflow in PDFEquips start to finish right in the browser. First, we turn the image into a proper PDF. Open the Image to PDF tool, set the page orientation, adjust the margins, and give the file a name. Convert, download, and there's our PDF. But the text is still locked inside the image. So next, we run OCR. Open the tool, choose the Premium option for the best accuracy, and select the document's language. Click OCR PDF and download the result. Now watch, the text is fully selectable. What was a flat image is now a real, searchable document. Last step, the translation. Open the Translate PDF tool and drop in the file we just made. Set the source language, then the target, Spanish to English. Hit Translate. And here's the finished document. The full name, date of birth, place of birth, father's name, everything, now in English. PDFEquips, over 50 PDF tools. Everything you need, all in one place.